Alright, we're getting back on the knuckle cases here. It's been a little while now. So I finally found my missing drill bits and reamers and stuff for doing my studs. So these are all the ones I special ordered. Last time I worked on one of these projects, didn't have what I needed. So these dowel studs here take special bolts. Special reamers or drills. So these are 337 or 338, I forget the size, I measured them. So I have a 335.5, which is a 1,000.5 press, assuming that's 37. And then I had a 337 reamer also, that's this one, 337. Which would be the same size as that one. So then I got some other ones here that are for other things. I don't think I have a drill, I think all I have is reamers. 330, that's 370. 308, 330, 5/16. Alright, so this is what I got to work with. 5/16 is a carbide drill. In case I need a long one to go all the way through, I can use that. Alright, so basically, these are reamers, so you have to drill a hole through first. So what's our closest size to 337? 339 is an R, too big. We don't do metric. So that leaves Q. 332. That'd be pretty damn close. And we also have 2164s, which is 328. So Q is the magic one. That one. So these are the dowel studs, this one and this one here. So you line that up and you punch it through. You should only have to go through about a 1/2 inch max here because that's where only the weld is at. I should punch through. I can run my reamer through after that. These are a little tight because the holes are compressed from the bolts. Okay, now this feels like I'm still lined up on this side and these here. So where's my straight edge I was using? Let's see. Excuse me. Looks like I put it back maybe. It'll work. I don't know if that's the right one, but it'll work. It's a straight edge. It's a piece of metal. Okay, that fits in there nice and flat. I'm pushed on all different surfaces and it's flat. Okay, that's what we want. The motor mounts don't line up on that side, they'll have to be recut. The next thing is you check these surfaces here and see how close they are. See the difference? That's high. That one feels good. That one's high. Hard to get a flat surface to work off of here. Seems to be pretty flat. You got high spots where every stud is, plus the edge here. It's hard to get a reference. So we're high on these two corners. This one feels good though. Oh, there it is. Slightly high. Modified. Ain't high no more. fine tuning. Nope, still in there. Did move, you can feel it, hear it. I think I'd rather have the motor mount flat myself, but whatever. The other thing is you feel this lip here. There's a lip this way, and a lip this way, which tells your case needs to go that way, which makes that even higher. Lip, lip. Yep, it goes that way. Trying to catch a lip. Goes right up, no problem. Got a slight gap on this side now. And no way we're taking that out. So trying to make this square up and making everything else worse. This would be hard too. Oh yeah. So put it back where it was. Quit screwing with things. Flat. Leave it there. Right at a good spot. Don't screw with it. It is what it is. These lips just don't line up. Oh well. No biggie. Alright, so we got to put some bolts in here to at least hold this together a little bit. So, pull some of this stuff back out. Okay, first bolt in is this one. Except this doesn't have a thread in it, I forgot. Can't use that one. The next one is the one in the center of the V here. This is a doweling stud also. So we'll beat that in and see what happens. See how much it moved. It moved. So it moved that way. Which makes this worse. Even though it feels better. That's the opposite direction. That's weird. Alright, well anyway, that's our only doweling stud, so that's the only one we got to work with for now. We got lips on it though. Yep. It moved a little bit, a couple thou. It moved this side. Probably moved to 2 thou. Not much. Every little bit makes a difference. Okay, where's our nut at? So go ahead and tighten this up. That'll hold it down. We'll punch a hole over there. Time to use 2 hands. No more one-handed operations. Alright, let's see what happens when we torque this down. Made a little bit better. About half of the air now. Okay. Be nice to have a little torque on this, so Put a little clamp back here to clamp the case together, make sure there's no gap. Just force on one side and flip things up a little bit on you. Too small.
Working on cylinders.
Yep. What are we gonna use here? There. I don't know if that'll make it. Ah, just made it. Alright, here we go. Alright, we use tool and change around, I'll be back.